Hey, what's up YouTube? This is my new project I got right here. It is a 1995 Polaris SLT750. Um, it's in pretty good shape, but it needs some cosmetic work, of course, and it's gonna need some mechanical work. So here's just a walk around of the before I get too deep into it. The back, it had a rubber plate back here, which is removed. It's got a little bit of rainwater in there. This was removed, so the adhesive is going to be coming off, and I think I might just leave it white. I might just polish it and get it really clean white. It has reverse feature, which is pretty awesome. Forward, we got reverse, pretty dope. Let's see the heart of this. So this is the heart of the beast. It is a Fuji Blue engine by Polaris. Definitely needs a good cleanup in here, and it's going to need some work. So at this point, I'm just kind of going through everything and looking at what I would like to rebuild and making a parts list. So within the next month, ordering everything I need. We should be having this motor pulled out of here and the jet drive pulled out, rebuilt. And after that, once we get her going, get her first lake run, we'll start doing the cosmetic work. We'll paint it or wrap it or something like that and completely transform it. And due date is July, weekend in July. So that's going to be our main objective, to get this done before July. Alright, peace out, YouTubers.